Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a 7-seater SEAT Tarraco. Now, we don't see a huge number of these, but this vehicle shares a lot of its DNA with the VW Tiguan Allspace and Skoda's Kodiaq model. Now, this particular one is finished in metallic black and is powered with the 1.5 petrol turbo 150 PS engine. This is mounted with a 6-speed manual gearbox, so it gives you a nice blend of performance and economy, and is taking away our reliance on diesel vehicles now. Now, the first thing you notice is that it looks very much like a four-wheel drive, and it looks like a big four-wheel drive estate car. The clever bit comes when you get into the second and the third row of seats. So you've got loads of space on the second row, and then if I just lift the camera up and over, you've actually got room for two, albeit smaller people, if you want to go out with 7 of you and you don't want to take 2 cars. Now, the second row of seats, they actually slide back and forward, and if you are brave enough to let someone eat or drink in the vehicle, you do have an aircraft style table on both sides, and you also have a couple of adjustments here. This one allows the seat to fold down flat, so if you do want to carry some larger objects, it does allow you to get access into the back, and if you fold the third row of seats down, it will lie pretty much flush all the way. You also have a rail on the top there, that one here, which if I lift up, that actually tips the seat forward a little, but then if you look, slides the base forward as well. So that gives you the access into the third row of seats for the smaller people who are going to be traveling in the back. Now, it's unusual to have a 7-seater that still has an element of boot space when all 7 seats are in use. And if we open the boot on this one, you can see you've got, albeit a small area, but you've got space for shopping bags, and also a neat little hideaway there for your parcel shelf. So you can use all 7 seats and still have a small amount of boot space. You can drop these down, dead simple, pull the little tab there, and that drops the one on the left, same thing, and it drops the one on the right. So if you want to, you can actually use this as a 5-seater with a huge boot. Completely up to you. Loads of versatility here. This one, being an SE technology, comes with rear parking sensors, which are a standard feature, as well as a whole host of other standard features: machine finished alloys, cruise control, rear AC outlets, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you name it really. There you go, that shows the seat, how you can drop that one down. Now, this particular model has only covered 38,000 miles, and quite often we find that when we see these, they've been very heavily used. There's a lot of wear on the seats, the carpets and things, but this particular one has been very well looked after. Now, I'm going to jump in so I can just show you a little bit of the functionality to do with the media system. And here we go. Now, so the first thing you see is a nice big media screen. I've got it positioned at the moment with the navigation, but if I run through the menus, you can go into all manner of different features. This one is also compatible with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, depending on your preference, and we can still connect up your mobile phones. Plenty of memory storage there for your digital radio, and then as I drop down, you've got dual zone climate control, so individual temperature sense set for both driver and passenger side. And then if we go a little deeper, we've then got some USB-Cs if you want to charge your devices, a 6-speed manual gearbox, an electronic handbrake with auto hill hold function, as well as the wheel that allows us to change the driving profile. As well as rear sensors, you've got the park display, and then on the steering wheel you've got your cruise control setup. There we go, see the mileage, just 38,000. And this also benefits from the digital dashboard as well, so you can personalize the display in behind the steering wheel. Now this is a 2021 car, so it's 4 years old, believe it or not, but it's in great condition, really is. Now the sun's very bright today, so I hope you get a good idea of what the car is like. But if you'd like to discuss anything to do with the car, financing the difference, part exchanging your current car, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you like the video, give us a comment. Why not? And even better, perhaps subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.